The Supreme Court has ordered not to share data collected during issuing of Aadhaar card to any other agency. The Supreme Court has also directed the Government of India to withdraw all orders which make the Aadhaar card mandatory for availing the service. The court has also directed the Unique Identification Authority of India not to share any information pertaining to an Aadhaar card holder with any government agency without the prior permission of the card holder. The three-judge bench of the Supreme Court, headed by Justice B.S. Chauhan, on Monday ordered Unique Identification Authority of India not to share any information of the Aadhaar card holder with any government agency. The Supreme Court has cleared that this is matter of privacy. This order is a setback for CBI investigating Vasco minor girl rape case. A minor girl was raped on 14 January 2013 inside school's toilet in Vasco. The case is unsolved till date. CBI has obtained 3 fingerprints from the scene of crime, and they had sought assistance from Unique Identification Authority of India to match those fingerprints with the biometric data collected for issuance of Aadhaar card. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Residents of Mulgaon have opposed the proposed expansion of National Highway 4 through their area. They claim that expansion will cost loss of many houses and religious structures in Mulgaon. The agitated Mulgaonkars have demanded that government should go in for a bypass stretch.
Residents of Mulgaon do not want the proposed expansion of National Highway 4 in their area. The preparation of expansion has panicked the Mulgaonkars. They held a meeting at Mulgaon on Sunday night.
सरकाराक गावचो 50,000 स्क्वेअर मीटर जागो रस्त्याच्या प्रकल्पाक जाय. तांचे म्हणणे आसा की गावच्या मध्यच्यान तांकां 4 लेन रोड काडपाचो आसा, जेका आमी ठामपणे विरोध घेतलेलो आसा आनी पंचायतींतल्यान कमीत कमी 100 फावटी ऑब्जेक्शन्स आमी घातलेले आहा की आमकां येदो व्हडलो रस्तो नाका.
ताका वयल्यान जर पर्याय आसा, ऑलरेडी तांचे कडेन जमीन आसा, ऑलरेडी तांचे कडेन एक्वायर केल्ली आसा, मागीर थंयच्यान जर रस्तो गेलो जाल्यार कोणाक एखादो कोणी इफेक्टेड जातलो ना अशें न्ही, पूण ताका सेटल करूं येता. पूण न्ही आतां 100 लोकांक सेटल करचे परस एक मनीस सेटल जर जावन रस्तो जर हे जाता.
Some of the residents claim that government wants to target Mulgaonkars.
ह्यो जो रस्तो व्हडलो जावन जो म्हणटालो सरकार, तो म्हणटा कितें म्हणून कित्याक अस्नोडा न्हू, तो अस्नोडा 20 वर्सां जाल्यार ट्रॅफिक जाम जाता, तेचेर तो तोडगोच काडिना. आयज तो मुळगांवच ताका मुळगांव गेले लोक सगळे न्हिदल्या म्हणून ताका दिसता कित्याक तेणी बिचोले सोडला, अस्नोडा सोडला ते सोडला, बिचोले सुद्दां सोडला आनी मुळगांवांत धरला. कित्याक मुळगांवचे लोक थंड आसा म्हणून आमी कितें ताका जास्तीत जास्त कितें म्हणटा डायरेक्ट बायपास काडपाचो थंयच्यान वयल्यान. तसो अस्नोडा चुकयत रावता तसो मुळगांव बी चुकय, लोकांची घरादारांनी सेफ करपाक जाय.
Uday Parab for Prudent.
One of the popular beaches in Murgaon Taluka, Kholan Beach, is awaiting attention from the state authorities. There are no basic facilities at the beach, no changing room, no parking facilities, and moreover, the beach lies in a sorry state. Locals and visitors have demanded that the beach should be maintained and basic facilities should be provided at the earliest. This Kholan Beach in Murgaon constituency. This is one of the popular beaches in the taluka and is considered as one of the safest beaches. But ironically, look at its sorry state. Garbage lies unlifted, no changing rooms for tourists, no parking facilities. Locals and visitors visiting this beach have demanded at least basic facilities on the beach.
Infrastructure changing room कांयच म्हणटा तूं फॅसिलिटी कोणे अजून इतले MLA येयले पूण प्रोवायड कांयच जावंक ना.
बेजीक थिंग्स म्हळ्यार हांगा पार्किंग एकदम डिफिकल्ट आसा, पार्किंग एकदम प्रॉब्लम चड आसा. तसोच हांगसर एक टॉयलेट नासा, मेन म्हळ्यार टॉयलेट ना आनी सगळें हांगा तुमी पळयता आसतलें सगळें मेळटा ते सगळे बाटले आसा. क्लीन अशें कांयच ना, इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर अशें म्हणटा तें कांयच ना. बरेंशें तशें गोवोरमेंटान हांगसर कितें क्लीन करून एक बरो असो स्पॉट करचो, पिकनीक स्पॉट करचो, जशें करून चड लोक येवचो असो. हांगसर मेन एक चेंजींग रूम आसा, कितें चेंजींग रूम ते एक मेन एक प्रॉब्लम हांगसर चेंज रूम असो कांयच ना, तो एक चेंज रूम असो करचो.
We spoke with the local Panch, Nandita Dayal. She says Panchayat does not have land to undertake developmental works along the beach side. She now seeks the help from private property owners.
I admit there are no toilet facilities, and this is a big hindrance for ladies and small children as well. So this is an area which we have taken up. We want to we are trying to address this problem, but we are facing an issue on the availability of land for this purpose. But I will look at the proposal of asking the landowners to take this up and probably give some of their space for a temporary arrangement.
Dishan Parab for Prudent. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.